Hi, we're here at 6435 East Maria Drive in Cave Creek, Arizona. Let's go inside and take a look. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a separate 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom casita. Kitchen was updated in 2023, all new cabinets, counters, appliances. Let's step outside and take a look at the backyard. This home sits on over an acre with amazing views of Black Mountain. Large swimming pool and a nice grassy area are great for the family. Thanks for stopping by. For more information, give me a call at 602-332-6188. April Taylor, HomeSmart, aprilsalesaz.com.